देख रहे हैं सिटी इंडिया न्यूज चैनल हक की आवाज।
पैराडाइज फंक्शन पैलेस।
फलाह हाई स्कूल में शानदार साइंसी नुमाइश, तलबा की तख्लीकी सलाहियतों का भरपूर मुजाहरा। महबूबनगर के न्यूटाउन इलाके में मलाबार गोल्ड एंड डायमंड्स के करीब वाक़ फलाह हाई स्कूल में एक उम्दा और कामयाब साइंसी नुमाइश साइंस एग्जीबिशन का इनेकाद अमल में आया। इस नुमाइश में तलबा ने गैर मामूली जोश व खरोश के साथ अपनी साइंसी सलाहियतों का मुजाहरा किया। साइंस एग्जीबिशन के दौरान तलबा की जानिब से तकरीबन 48 साइंसी मॉडल्स पेश किए गए, जिनमें मुतअद्दिद वर्किंग मॉडल्स भी शामिल थे। नुमाया मॉडल्स में दिल, गुर्दा, डायलिसिस, जिगर, सोलर सिस्टम के अलावा नर्वस सिस्टम, दिमाग, फ़िज़ाई आलूदगी, मौसमों की तब्दीली, फ़ोटोसिंथेसिस जैसे अहम मौज़ूआत पर मबनी मॉडल्स शामिल थे। इसके साथ साथ तलबा ने दिलचस्प और मालूमाती फ़न बज़र गेम्स भी पेश की, जिन्होंने हाज़रीन की तवज्जो हासिल की। यह साइंसी नुमाइश सुप्रिटेंडेंट सैयद नईमुद्दीन और प्रिंसिपल फलाह हाई स्कूल सैयद करीमुद्दीन असद की निगरानी में कामयाबी के साथ मुनक़िद की गई। इस मौके पर मोहम्मद यूसुफ प्रिंसिपल सनशाइन हाई स्कूल समेत दीगर तालीमी इदारों के तलबा व असातिज़ा ने भी शिरकत की। साइंस एग्जीबिशन को देखने के लिए औलियाए तलबा और शहरी अवाम की कसीर तादाद ने शिरकत की और तलबा की तख्लीकी सोच, मेहनत और साइंसी फ़हम को खूब सराहा। फलाह हाई स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल सैयद कलीमुद्दीन असद ने मीडिया से गुफ्तगू करते हुए कहा कि इस किस्म की साइंसी नुमाइश तलबा में पोशीदा सलाहियतों को उजागर करने में अहम किरदार अदा करती है। उन्होंने बताया कि इस नुमाइश में तलबा और असातिज़ा की मुश्तरका मेहनत से मुतअद्दिद मेयारी मॉडल्स तैयार किए गए। उन्होंने मज़ीद कहा कि आज की नुमाइश के मौके पर तलबा की जानिब से आने वाले मेहमानों के लिए मुफ्त ब्लड ग्रुप टेस्ट का भी इंतज़ाम किया गया, जिसे आवाम ने बेहद सराहा। इस मौके पर डायरेक्टर फलाह हाई स्कूल सैयद फ़हीमुद्दीन, असातिज़ा इकराम और तलबा की बड़ी तादाद मौजूद थी।
I am from third class. This model shows air pollution. Smoke from factories and vehicles makes air dirty. The dirty air makes people cough and get sick. When we breathe dirty air, it harms our lungs. We should not ignite firecrackers that much. It contains air pollution. Barbecue also contains air pollution. Air pollution can harm ozone layer.
Today we are visiting my school. There are so many fun activities such as football, basketball, and my favorite volleyball. We also have canteen in our school.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sheikh Mohammad Saib of 6th class and my model name is renewable energy. This is the renewable energy model. Renewable energy comes from nature. The sun, leaf, or solar panel change sunlight into electricity. Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Sheikh Mohammad. I am studying in 3rd class. Our topic is air pollution. On the right side, trees help in cleaning the air. We should plant more trees. To reduce air pollution, we should not cut our trees. Suppose carbon goes help reduce for life and the electricity is a company. Electricity sunlight. Physics lab against electricity bus. It gives us light and heat.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Sayyid Kalimuddin Asad, Principal and Correspondent of Falaah High School. Today we are conducting science fair in our school. Today is 9th of January 2026. So near about 43 models have been made. Teachers have struggled a lot from 3-4 days. Even the students, they have tried their level best to present 43 models. Some students are presenting a model of heart, in which they are explaining about the diseases regarding heart and the functioning of valves, as well as a blood test is being done here in our school today. In free of cost, many parents we have already tested and they have got the correct blood group, as some of them know their blood group from previous itself. This was the option today, as well as a kidney was being shown, diagram of a kidney. The students have explained the importance of that and what happens so that the patients go for dialysis. What precautions should be taken are being explained today. So many other models are there. Even fun models are also there, where the students of 8th or 9th class, they are presenting a game where buzzer game, it is related to fun also. So many other models were being exhibited by the students. So actually what I have felt today is some students, we used to see them, they were somewhat slow learners in the academic point of view, but now we have seen that they have learned near about 10 to 11 sentences to explain their models. I explained them that how could you learn these sentences as you are somewhat less in your academic performance. Then I said them that this is due to your interest you have applied here. That's why it is a reason where you have got clear grip in your explanation of model. In the same way, so what I think, what happens when the student involved in these activities, some changes will happen definitely. Improvement they will get in their skills also, and learning everything. They will learn many things from these activities. So Allah ka shukr, alhamdulillah, by the blessings of our parents also. Alhamdulillah, I feel that students have struggled, and this depends on our parents who will come and who are coming also. They are encouraging our students. Even the students of Sunshine High School, they came here, and different schools are yet to come. Even the principal Yusuf Sahab also have come here, and many other Arshad Sahab, parents, and many journalists, Najibuddin Khadri Sahab, and many others have come, and they have encouraged our students. Thanks a lot. Jazakallah khair.